Police have arrested a man linked to the brutal murder of Rua businessman Joseph Mtangadura after he allegedly shot and killed a police officer in Sanyati over the weekend. Sanabana Kobranyo watches another Mtangadura murder suspect arrested after killing Sanyati cop. Double subscribe or like on the bell like TV na mnamudanyo kamchensi. The suspect, Wegesai Jabulan Mutasa 41, was cornered by ZID homicide detectives at his home in Sanyati on Saturday night, but escaped half naked, shooting one of the officers, Detective Constable Ngwenya, who fortunately survived. In a shocking turn of events, Mutasa reportedly stormed Sanyati police station in the early hours of Sunday, where he shot and fatally wounded Constable Courage Muchechesi before fleeing the scene. Police later confirmed that the firearm used in the attack was the same pistol used in the cold-blood murder of Mtakadura at his Rua home on August 17. Police spokesperson Commissioner Ponyati said ballistic tests on the recovery gun proved the match beyond doubt. The gun which killed the policeman is the same pistol which killed the businessman of Tangadora, said Ponyati. According to police, Mutasa has confronted officers at the church office demanding to know the whereabouts of homicide detectives who had earlier visited his home, accusing them of stealing $1,000. He allegedly ordered Constable Mchechesi and a complaint, Abraham Mayavo, to lie down and demanded cash. When Mchechesi tried to flee into another room, Rasa shot him in the stomach, leading to his death. After fleeing the station, the suspect was hunted down by villagers from Sinyati, Kadoma, Chakari, and Pachwe, who managed to subdue and arrest him while he was still armed. He was arrested by citizens while he's armed with a pistol, confirmed Nyati. Mutasa is now facing charges of double murder, attempted murder, and possession of an unlicensed firearm. Ndo mashoko aripo murezi papo panawo awa ema suspects awa anouya panguva ine achimedha Mtangadora. Pinda comment section medu zvamafungiro emu tikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chatomba bell icon.